Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Rod Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. Yesterday, Governor Roy Cooper announced that the state will remain in Phase 2 of his Safer at Home order and that masks will now be required statewide. Some of you have asked what these changes means for you in Durham. I will address that first, followed by briefly addressing trends in our new cases. Yesterday, Governor Cooper announced that Phase 2 of the state's Safer at Home order will remain in place for at least 3 more weeks to expire or be renewed Friday, July 17th. He also announced that face masks are now required for all North Carolina residents, with a few exceptions. More information about this Phase 2 extension and the state's new mask mandate can be found on the state's website, ncdhhs.gov. But what does this mean for you as a Durham resident? In Durham, masks or face coverings have been required since March 28, and this requirement will continue. Additionally, we are still under local safer at home orders until further notice. In other words, nothing will change for you as a Durham resident while you are in Durham County. Many of the requirements of the Durham order are the same as the state's, but there continues to be just a few differences. In Durham, there is a 10-person limit for the size of groups that can gather indoors or outdoors with social distancing and sanitation required. There is a 6-person group limit within restaurants, breweries, and distilleries. And there is additional guidance for real estate that is not found in the state's order. Remember, you can find more information about our Safe at Home order on durhamnc.gov. Finally, I want to let you know about a new trend in our new cases. Within Durham County and in the state, the average age of COVID cases is getting lower as more young people than ever before are being diagnosed with COVID. Currently, the average age of new cases within Durham County is just 39 years old. Although young people with no pre-existing conditions are not considered high risk for serious illness or death from COVID, it is still possible to become seriously ill. As cases increase among this group, serious illness or death from COVID will be more common than ever. Please stay at home as much as possible, regardless of your age or health history, and if you have to go out, it is critical that you wear a face covering. Even if you don't think you'll get sick or not concerned about your own health, wearing a mask or face covering protects others around you. There's no way of knowing who you'll infect or who is at high risk, so wearing a mask shows that you care about other people and about your community. We must work together to protect one another and stop the spread. We can do this, Durham.